Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the next video. Today is a weird video in some ways. It is an attempt to answer a question that one of viewers on my channel asked. Is there a device that can help mount a Glock type PCC in a vise to work on it? I have several Glock pistols, not PCC, and a couple of Glock pistols, Glock magazine types, FX9, EP9, and I have a carbine based on a Glock magazine, which is a Ruger PC. So what I did is went on Amazon and purchased two mounting blocks. They look almost exactly the same, but they're not, theoretically. One of them is AID Advanced mounting block, this one, and the other one is Westlake mounting block. I don't know what the difference between them is, but I got two that kind of looked slightly different. On second look, they look almost exactly the same. So let's take a look. Of course, all firearms have been safety checked. I'm going to take the mags out so that they do not interfere with the process. I do want to test them with the pistols first to see whether those will allow me to mount them in a vise, let's say for stippling. So here is the Westlake one. It is very not a good mount. Let's see. So Glock 17, Glock 34, I would not say those are very usable for consistent vise usage. I'm going to take FX9 pistol. Let's make sure it's empty. It should be. And it is. And I know it's not, it sounds like it's not oiled because it is not oiled enough. Westlake. It needs to be obviously inserted the right way. And that was the right way. And you can see this is not usable. Okay, so this thing is going back to Amazon. Let's do AID Advanced. Theoretically, well, I was hoping it would behave in a different manner. And interesting enough, in the Glock 34 it does. See, this locked in. Let me try on Glock 17 one more time. See, this thing actually did not go as deep on Glock 17 as it for some reason went. Okay, so that was because it literally went too far. It wobbles, which you can see and hear. And in FX9, it wobbles just as much, if not more. Okay, Westlake and ADE. Let me put the mags down and grab my X-Star, which has been sitting behind the table, and I took the optics for the test off the gun. Okay, ADE. Nah, unusable. Westlake. It locks, but look, horizontal, vertical, every which way. It's actually, the situation is actually worse in the EP9. There is no point of checking the Ruger carbine anymore. These two are not usable. So I'm gonna send them back to Amazon because this is not something that can be used to hold either Glock pistol or Glock magazine type pistol or a PCC stable in a vise to perform any kind of operation. Thank you for watching. Let me see what else I can find. If you know of a better mag mount for Glock type, please let me know, because sometimes it seems using a drum mag might be a better option than using these two devices. Until next video, we'll see what I can find. So far, no luck. Please comment, let me know if you have one that works better and where to get it.